다리찢기 도전기 294일차. 다리찢기를 위해서는 햄스트링의 역할이 매우 큰데요. 그래서 요즘 햄스트링 운동을 자주 해주고 있습니다. 그런데 많은 사람들이 햄스트링을 많이 스트레칭 해줘도 타이트함을 계속 느끼는 경우가 많은데요. 그래서 오늘은 왜 이런 일이 발생하는지, 그리고 어떻게 하면 좋을지에 대한 영상을 가져왔습니다.
Stretching my tight hamstrings never seemed to work for me. I would do things like this and get relief for a few minutes or hours, but the tightness would always return. And this just kept happening until I asked myself a key question, and that is, why are the hamstrings tight in the first place? What I realized is that muscles can feel tight for one of two reasons. The first way is what most people think, when a muscle is too short and overactive and can't properly elongate. The other way is when the muscle is too stretched out. You can imagine if the attachment sites were being pulled away from each other, that creates tension in the muscle. This position right here is representing something a lot of people have, which is anterior pelvic tilt. Upwards of 75% or more of the population has this. So when I realized that my problem was that the hamstrings are already stuck in an elongated position, it made sense to me as to why stretching didn't actually fix the problem. What I actually had to do is educate the hamstrings to get better control over the tilt of the pelvis, which would bring the hamstring into a more neutral resting length. So if you have anterior pelvic tilt and tight hamstrings, this is a much better solution than just stretching out a muscle that's already relatively elongated. Here's a really easy way you can start to do that. For this, all you need is a chair and optionally a foam roller. Make sure you have a perfect 90-degree bend at both your knees and your hips. You don't want to have too much of your shin on it like that. You want to have just the lower part of your shin and heel on it. Take that foam roller and place it in your upper thighs, allowing your knees to still stay in line with your feet and your hips. Allow your chin to passively point at the ceiling. And now all you're going to do is making sure your glutes are relaxed. You're just going to drag down into that chair just a little bit. That is going to raise your knees a little higher and flatten your low back out against the ground. Your hamstrings are going to engage subtly as you do this. And now you're feeling your hamstrings actually control the tilt of your pelvis as you move into a relative posterior pelvic orientation. For some, all you need to do is just sit here and breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth for relaxed breaths. Others can make this a more dynamic process by allowing your low back to flatten out a little bit and then going back up into that slight top position. Again, your low back should still stay flat, just your tailbone's off, glutes are relaxed, hamstrings are on. You can hold this for about 2 breaths or about just 5 to 10 seconds and then relax and go back down and just train your hamstrings to get control over the tilt of that pelvis.
요즘에는 이렇게 다리찢기에 도전하면서 신체에 대해서 공부도 많이 하고 다양한 방법들을 한 번씩 해보고 있는데요. 이 과정 속에서 배우는 것들, 좋은 것들을 많이 공유하도록 노력하겠습니다. 다리찢기도 성공하고 공부도 많이 해서 다리찢기 전문가가 되는 그날이 오기를 바라며 오늘도 전 어제보다 성장했습니다.